Bit about the Boston and the Havoc. The Boston came about as part of the Lend-Lease program, and the British were looking for a twin-engine bomber and everything else. Americans were currently working on, or Douglas was working on an aircraft for the French. Evolved into the Boston. The Americans liked it enough as a medium bomber, or light medium bomber, I think they classed it as. The important thing is the Australians flew it. 22 Squadron received theirs in about 1942-43, somewhere in there. The only Australian Victoria Cross awarded to an Australian airman in Australia was awarded to a Boston pilot, a guy called Squadron Leader Newton. Very important to the Australian modeler or Australian historian that we've got this. A lot of sprues, so there's lots of parts. We'll start off with the fuselage because there's something attached to it. The fuselage is really, really well done. You can actually see a light stressing on the fuselage around certain areas and things like that. Here, this is the G model, so this has got the turret, power operated turret. But there's a light stressing all over the fuselage, which is really, really interesting. This must be something new that I think a lot of other modelling companies are going to start looking at. A bit of etched metal is included. That includes seat belts, things like that. There's the hubs, a few bits and pieces there. The nose is the J model. So it's got the gun turret, everything else. The beauty of this is you're going to be able to put enough weight in it to hold it all down. The glass ones might be interesting. This is all the engine nacelles. This is all part of the wheel bay. There's lots and lots of detail in there. So wings, again, there's a little bit of a fine stressing done on it. It's not overdone, nice and strong. Little hub pieces there to make it all click together properly. Oh, this is the engines. So these are all bits and pieces. This is all your exhausts. Nice detail in there. It's got all the bits and pieces to go on top of the engines. These have hubs, which is interesting because some of them didn't at some stage. They've eventually taken off, but all this is very, very nice. And for a test shot, there's very little flash on it at all. Oh, this is the gun turret. So that's all the turret parts. It's got all sorts of, looks quite detailed actually. There's the guns. Tailplanes. Looks really good. Got that stressing or the fabric sort of look on it. This is all the cockpit parts. So you can see there's quite detailed. More cockpit parts by the look, the seat. So there's lots and lots through there. Oh, this is all part of the bomb bay and the upper section. Oh, look at that. Look at all the detail in there. Very nicely done. That's just superb. Even, you know, this has all been done out proper. Crystal clear. So guys, have a great day. Keep an eye out. I know it's been a while since we've done a few of these, but we've got lots to show you. So have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.